What's up, people? Today I'm going to be installing a couple things on this AR, but the first thing I'm going to be doing is taking off this Magpul stock, MOE stock, and replacing it with this nice Daniel Defense stock. If you got one of these, you notice that I already put on the thicker recoil pad, and that's just from preference. But first things first is taking this thing off, which is actually pretty easy. Don't even need any tools. Kind of just get in there like that. You see this little black part? You pull it down with your finger and it slides off. That simple. Now put this guy on. I'm assuming it's something similar. So we got that guy in. And let's see. Okay, I'll see how it is. Oh, like butter. So it's basically the same way as a Magpul stock. You just pull this part down. You push it up to adjust it. Actually a little stiff. There we go. It's a little stiff. You could probably oil it a little, maybe. I don't know. But basically, you just pull this part down like that. And once you get it down to a certain point, it'll slide off. Put it back on. Same thing. All the way on. And there we go. Alright, that's done. Next thing is, I'll be mounting this guy onto the back of this Daniel Defense stock. This is a pretty simple piece of machinery. Left hand. And that's in there like that. Presto. So in less than 30 seconds and, well, in less than 5 minutes, and with no tools, I've installed 2 pieces on this guy already. Let's see how that looks. Feels nice. Alright. Next thing is this quick detach. American Defense Manufacturing quick detach auto lock rail attachment. This is basically so if you have this mounted on that, this craps out in the middle of it hitting the fan, quick detach, it's gone. Take it off, pop up the iron sights, and you're back in business. So